So we're going to hip up to his starboard side. So we're going to have to put our fenders on this side. And did they go over how we mount our fenders at all, or?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you don't, when you're going around the cleat, you just go around the cleat once. You don't get too hairy with it because you'll run out of cleat when we have to put other lines on. So have you towed before at all, or you just?
No.
Okay. All right.
No.
You have you have towing endorsement and all that?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I've towed like, on a personal basis.
Right.
Yeah, but not commercially. Nothing big. Where's the sailboat at?
It's right out here. They towed it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they towed it down from up north last night.
Oh, okay.
And they put it right in one of the anchorage over here.
Cool. Yeah, I started looking into
Main
this
Street Bridge. This is the sailing vessel Blessed requesting passage.
a few months back, and I started watching YouTube, right? A couple of videos, and I started watching Captain Retriever.
Uh-huh. Yep.
And then I bumped into yours.
Have you also watched Captain Ken?
Yeah.
He's
down by Tampa or Sarasota.
He was the first one that I saw, and I've never physically met him, but I've talked to him.
Oh, really?
And he really helped me get my YouTube channel started.
Cool.
Super nice guy.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull up alongside, and we're going to do a hip tow. And then I can just move you forward to pull the anchor in. I'm Captain Chris, by the way. This is Captain Luis.
Morning.
Do, Good morning. Yeah, let's, Luis, see if you can get that mid cleat right there, right by that fender. Let me get over there. Hold on, just hold on. I'll get us closer. Good.
Sorry, I missed
Pull it. That's all right. It's all right. Yeah, pull us in, and then tie us off to our cleat. Okay, good. Okay, you have a stern cleat back there?
Yes.
All right, remove that one from the cleat.
Remove what's on?
Yeah, now yeah. And just lay it, Luis, just lay it over, don't feed it through. And then make it fairly tight. Hold it there, we'll have to adjust it when we finish up.
Captain Mark said you were his teacher.
I was.
You said you did a great job.
Good.
It's
Okay,
real nice.
so you have a cleat up on the bow?
Yes.
Let's get a long rope from the bow cleat to our...
This is good, Captain Chris. You just give the orders from headquarters.
Usually I'm by myself.
I like your style. I have my Coast Guard Captain's Master Mate license.
Yeah, make sure you go under your bow rails and all. Okay, good job. Tighten that one up, Luis. Let me know when you feel it come off the bottom.
Yeah, well, it might it's pretty well set. I might need help with that. Going forward. pull forward and free it up, then I can bring you the rest.
Which way do you need me to go?
Like this way.
All right.
Right. More.
Right down here.
All right, we're good.
How much water do you draw? About.
4.
Okay. All right, so Luis, I'm going to go into neutral. I need you to tighten that line up. Go ahead. Okay, that should be good. All right, so what we'll do next, I'll start driving. What you need to do is get another line, and we'll do a spring line. Yep, from the back.
Do we have any more?
Did we use 3? All right. There should be 2 hanging on each side. 1 hanging on each side.
So are you gonna take us over on the hip, or are you gonna tow me from behind?
No, we'll take you down on the hip.
Okay.
Hopefully, once we get faced into the wind, it'll be a little bit better ride than this.
Let me know what I can do to help you out.
Okay. So lay it. No, Luis, lay it over that cleat and then to our stern cleat. There you go. You can even do it to that one if you want, if that's. All right, get one. You got oh, good. Okay, yeah. So then now that one goes up. There you go. Perfect. You got it, man. You've been watching my videos.
Yep. You get extra points on this. Yeah.
Yeah, if you need to, can you, are we touching or? Okay, good deal. Perfect.
You good there? Yeah. Okay.
Fine.
Securite, Securite, Securite. Towboat US Timothy Shea, Towboat US Timothy Shea, Towboat US Timothy Shea. All vessels operating between Halifax Harbor Marina and Seven Seas Marina be advised that Towboat US has a disabled vessel on hip tow with final destination of Seven Seas Marina. If you see our operation, please give way, and if possible, please drop to no wake speed. Towboat US standing by on 16 and 14.
How many calls will you have on a holiday like this?
You know, you never know.
Yeah.
Probably about 3 or 4 o'clock, everybody down at the sandbar is going to figure out that their battery's dead because they've been playing their radio all day.
Right.
And nobody brings jump boxes with them, which is fine with us because we make money off of it. But
Before they run out of gas.
run out of gas, motor won't start, up on the beach because the tide went out. So that's when we'll get busy. I didn't know. Well, he wants me to go right here, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do your bow in. How far in you want me to go?
Right here's fine.
Okay. You got a stern line? Yeah, they got stern line. Go ahead, start untying this. I'll hold this here. I just need your I need your finger signature at the bottom there. I got it. I'm holding it.
Okay.
Okay. Very good.
Thanks a lot, Capt.
Oh, you're welcome.
I hope you have a quiet, smooth day.
Could you get the, undo this?
Yep, thank you.
Well,
Have a great day.
Well, thank you.
Next to you,
okay.
Please, there was a please after that order. Although I am a master mate Coast Guard captain, so, you know, I gotta learn how to give those orders. Good luck with your career. You did
Thank you.
great.
I appreciate it.
Do you have an Indian American, American Indian heritage? You have a beautiful
Puerto Rican.
profile.
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Bueno. It's cerca day.
Good luck with everything.
You too. Thanks
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
See you later, Brian.